Okay, fifth graders, here is your next quadrilateral challenge. So this is the quadrilateral design challenge. We are working on recognizing those two-dimensional shapes and classifying them. So here we go, calling all designers! Hello, all of you fabulous designers. I have a special project for you. You are going to use your knowledge of quadrilaterals and design skills to create a drawing of a space of your choice. It has to be a place, so think of a blueprint. You may design a store, room, athletic field or stadium, classroom, house, neighborhood, etc., and you can be as creative as possible. Here are the requirements. You must include at least one of each of the following quadrilaterals: parallelogram, trapezoid, rectangle, rhombus, square. You will most likely have many of each of them, but one is the minimum. To create your design, use the slide with the grid paper and add quadrilaterals. To do this, click Insert, then Shapes, then choose the type of quadrilateral you want to add to your project. You can fill your quadrilateral with a color by making sure the quadrilateral is selected, then clicking on the paint bucket tool. You can also stretch your shape to change its size. On slides 4 and 5, you must include a key to your drawing. Your key will contain the names of the quadrilaterals above, a list of their attributes, and then the symbols of the shapes from your picture that fit into that quadrilateral's properties. You will need to copy and paste each shape into your key to classify it. To do this, select the shape you want to copy, right-click, select Copy, then go to the slide you want to paste it into. Right-click on that slide and select Paste. With the picture, you should provide what the symbol represents. For example, whatever object you use on your slide as a square should be drawn under the square's attributes along with the name of the object. If the square in your drawing is a desk in a classroom, you must draw it and write desk next to this. You must do this for every object in the design. Remember, you are allowed to have more than one of each quadrilateral, but you must have at least one of each of them. Good luck, and we can't wait to see your designs. So really quick, I want to go through the how to add shapes. This is my example. And if you know Mrs. Valentine, you know that I love coffee and reading and my family. So I was going to combine all three and make a cool little library, like Mrs. Valentine's coffee library. So first things first, I need to make sure I have lots of bookshelf space. So I'm going to go to Insert, Shape, and I'm going to start with just a regular old rectangle. So I'm going to start in the corner. I remember, right, we're going to remember the attributes of a rectangle. I know that a rectangle has two sets of parallel sides, and they're both equal. So two sets are equal, and then two sets are equal, and they're always parallel. If I want to change the color, I click on it, and then I'm going to go to the border color. I'm going to make it red. We'll probably do some kind of rainbow theme too, because I love that. Red, and I'm going to put bookshelf right here, but I'm also going to make sure I just hit Command C, and it's probably different on an iPad too. Then I need to go here, and I'm going to, well, the quadrilateral I just made was a rectangle. I'm going to type its properties, all the properties that I know, and then I'm going to copy paste. I'm going to put my bookshelf on there. And it's okay that it's not the exact same size if I need to fit more on there. So I need to write my properties though, because that's an important thing. After you are done, double check. Actually, when you go, I want you to double check to make sure that you are looking at the rubric. So this is kind of what we're going to be grading you on. Do you have all the quadrilaterals you need? Did you do the key correctly? Are all directions followed? Is it creative and it's a great use of your space? And then the design was created with straight rulers, shapes, they're outlined and colored in neatly, and stray marks are erased clearly. We're doing this on our technology, so you don't have to worry about pencil lines, but get creative, have fun. Good luck. Ask any questions you need.